We will begin our program already started. We have already added a TS770 touchscreen. We will need to locate the Interlock symbol in the symbol library. Expand the Logic Symbols folder. Within the Logic Symbols folder, locate the memory folder and expand it. Now, find the Interlock symbol. Click, hold, drag, and drop it into the Logic folder. We will expand the touchscreen into the detail view by double-clicking it. Next, we will expand the Interlock symbol into the detail view by double-clicking it as well. As with most symbols, it will come in incomplete. We will need to complete the interlock by adding the signal names to all the signal lines that are required. For the interlock to be complete, we need a digital signal on each input-output pair. The other two signal names, clear and set all, are optional and not required. At startup, all outputs of the interlock will be set to low. We also notice that there is an input and output pair of I1 and O1. These input-output pairs are not optional. We can add additional input-output pairs up to 999. Select either the I1 or the O1 line and add 3 more lines using the Alt plus key combination. It doesn't matter if you choose the input or output line, as they are added as input-output pairs. We now have 4 inputs and outputs. We will start adding signals to the interlock before we explain how it works. Add a signal named IL clear to press 8 and a signal named IL set all to press 9. On press 10, we will add a signal called Choice 1 Press. For presses 11, 12, and 13, add Choice 2 Press, Choice 3 Press, and Choice 4 Press. Click on the IL clear signal on press 8 and shift-click on press 13 signal name. That will select them all. You can then click, hold, and drag and bring them all down to the interlock on the input side, starting with the clear signal line. We need signals on the output side of the interlock to complete it. O1 will get Choice 1 IL, O2 will get Choice 2 IL, O3 will get Choice 3 IL, and O4 will get Choice 4 IL. Select all 4 output signals we just created. Click, hold, and drag them to Feedback 10 on the panel. Now we can walk through the interlock's functions using the signals we've just added. If the user presses a button on the panel connected to press 10, then Choice 1 Press will go high. That will cause the interlock to raise Choice 1 IL to high and hold it there. Choice 1 IL will remain high until another input on the interlock is triggered. This time, the user presses the button connected to press join 12. Choice 3 Press will go high. That will trigger the interlock to make all outputs, O1 through O4, low. Then the interlock will raise O3, and Choice 3 IL will go high and stay high until another input is triggered. What we just described is called break before make. When a new input goes high, the output that is currently high will go low before the new selection makes its output high. This ensures that one and only one output can ever be high based on the input triggers I1 through I4. We need to discuss the optional signals of clear and set all. On the rising edge of the clear signal, all interlock outputs will be lowered. The set all is the only way to get all the outputs high at the same time. Once set all goes high, it raises all of the outputs. The next input trigger will lower all of the outputs, then raise the triggered input's output and hold it high. Then the interlock goes back to normal operation. This concludes this video on the interlock symbol.